Ínta bhfuil tá sula gom gur bhain sibh sulta as an tuaireann sin agus gur thir sin spin maiththirmh agus muid i chuirtééis leis an ácaid seo, Fáiltearómh ar fád go dtí Ciorcal Comhrá with a twist. Tá tácaid seo a reachtal mar chuid dá féile UCD agus muid ínta sésta ghfuil Áine Gallagher an seo linn inniu. So this is going to be a bilingual event, so now we work faoi caiidean de chuid Gaeilge nó level Gaeilge so good. This event is open to everyone, doesn't matter where you're from, doesn't matter what age you are, and doesn't matter what level of Irish you have. Mise Ceithleann go bhar Dhúlacháin, agus is céimi de chuid UCD ma, agus tá luthar mhór adam, foiilte a haid áireamhse ar fád an seo, Tás gom ghfuil le ar dóid tí mui, agus táid ionta buíoch go bhfuil sibh an seo linn inniu. So Mara Jerem is Ciorcal Comhrá with a twist at a gceist an seo. Tam cinse golas a go bhar fád cad a gceist de Ciorcal Comhrá ach ní gra Ciorcal Comhrá at an seo. This time it's a different type of Ciorcal Comhrá, and you'll see when Áine starts that it's going to be different than your ordinary Ciorcal Comhrá. So tuairtha me se bhuamh go Áine sibh ag an cúpla nóid ach ar dúas Dinseid mé ribbeag faoi Áine daobh. So is ban grin nó comedian i Áine agus tá gra aici don Gaeilge, tá dul mhór aici sa Gaeilge agus tá go leor scéalta granmhara aici gur féidir libh salta bhainte sú inniu. So Áine has lots of different stories to tell, and we'll hear some of those today. And we also want to hear some of your stories. Is Comhrá a bheith an seo, and we'll all get a chance to have conversations as Gaeilge. And like I said, it doesn't matter what level of Irish you have. As I said before, it will be a bilingual session. So gan níos mó saothar inis, tá a heasarm Áine Gallagher a thar a lethair. So Áine, rahamid thugad sa inis, over to you.
Gurh míle mágad Ceithleann agus dia dhéobh tá sé códeas a bheith an seo agus tá mé ag súil go mór leis an imeacht seo. So just like ar dús gurh mágad Ceithleann, thanks for giving me the introduction there. Is mise an múntóir a bháin in Éireann gan Gaeilge lífa agus gan éon céim as in Gaeilge. So I am Ireland's only unqualified, unfluent, non-fluent Irish speaking teacher. So yes, gurh mágad, it's self-proclaimed and it's féidir le aon, yeah, an tídal seo a chur ort féin. But yeah, it's great to be here. Agus like an chéadrod tá is a gom you know, baimid ag caint golóir le chéile, so it's going to be great to have a chat with everyone. Ach ag an dús, like just to like settle everyone down, in showing my cúpla rudí díobh. And like I think an céad rud a chuireann iontas ar daoine, the first thing that always kind of surprises people about me is my anam, Áine. You know, mar tá daoine ag tanú le Áine. And then, so when I say, oh, Áine is anam dom, people are always kind of like, oh, Áine, like níor chúla mé an anam seo sin riamh. So, agus then being sim ag daoine, you know, chuireann siad an ceist like, an bhfuil ein scéal leis, like where does it come from? What's the, you know, where does Áine come from? Agus, like, caithfidh mé rá, is scéal simúil é? It is an interesting story. I actually was named after a woman who gave my parents natural contraceptive advice in the mid-80s. So sin ma anam Áine, yeah. Agus bevrálam inis just like gach duine a echol. So ma thain with go grid view inniu baimid ag fáil comhrá le chéile. Okay, there's gonna be a chance for everyone to speak a bit of Gaeilge today. Agus is féidir live clistal freshen agus a bheith ag fáilim agus gachrod. But like an céad rud, right, bawachlam a rá. Agus I think the biggest problem an fibe is mó atá a gin leis an Gaeilge ná agla, right? It's kind of like tá agla urin chun Gaeilge a labhart. So this is fear. Okay, so tá agla uring. We are scared chun Gaeilge a labhart, chun Gaeilge a cleachta. And so that's what kind of stops us from speaking it. Agus is more on through a, okay? So this is the first thing I want to get across today. Like, don't be scared, okay? Agus dega ná tá agla uring, mar chiapan muids, like Jane fi me na butún, I'm gonna make mistakes, or like by Gaeilge níos fear ag daoine eile, like other people have better Irish than me, so like ní féidir lom a bheith ag caint. So just let's try and get out of that mindset. Okay, go hálinn, look, Tommy's in áiríre ag an dara, like at the end, Míle buíochas live as Chalk, thanks so much for coming. Like, this was, you know, a one-off. It's hard, but the whole aim was to hopefully get people using a bit of Irish and to share a couple of stories that just, yeah, like Gary was kind of saying, you know, we all kind of have the fear, and actually, if we can just learn to put it to the side a little bit, or know that it's just normal for everyone and keep going, that's, I think, the main thing. And, you know, so tá cúpla rudí agam le roinnt ag an deireadh, like a couple of things to share with you at the end, just like cúpla tricks occur suas your sleeve. So má bhíonn tú sa chomhrá, if you're in a conversation agus ní higann tú cad atá ar siúl, you don't really know what's going on, is féidir leat an joke seo a rá. You can use this joke and like everyone's just gonna love you, all right, and think you're really funny. So on joke not Cain fá, I'm going to write it here in the chat as well. So Cain fá, yeah, so nach dayan Mrs. Doyle go dtí an Gaeltacht because of the ban on tea. That is real laughter. That's what you're hearing. Yeah. Okay. Like, it's Ciithleann.